Hi, smart listener. Welcome back in our program, Smart FM, Smart of Your Life. So, I'm Farlaksan Saputra as a host today. So, yeah, before we move to in our conversation, I would like to invite you guys to join with us in 1.111.1, or you can directly watch in YouTube Smart FM Makassar, and yeah, you can contact us in WhatsApp 0811461011. So yeah, I'm not alone in here. I'm with my friend in BPC Makassar. Hi guys.
Hello.
Hello
Hi.
everyone.
So yeah, actually exactly smart listener curious to know what is you guys. Can you introduce yourself before we move to in our discussion? Probably from you. Start from you.
Okay,
Mister.
hello everyone. So my name is Muhammad Yusril Abidin. You guys can call me Yusril. I'm a student in Islamic State University of Makassar. Thank you guys.
Okay, thank you, Bro Yusril. And next.
Okay, hello smart listener. I'm Mutmainatu Safia and I'm a new president of BPEC and I'm a student. I'm still in second semester in State University of Makassar, or people know it as UNM. I'm taking English education. Thank you.
Okay, hi Miss Inna. And next.
Hi everyone, my name is Nurul Fatana Musni. You can call me Fatana. I'm from State University of Makassar.
Okay, thank you Miss Fatana. And the last.
Okay, hello everyone. I am Samantha. You guys can call me Sam. I am from University State of Makassar. Same with Mutmainna UNM. Studying at English department. Yeah.
Okay, thank you guys. So, how is your life? How are you today?
So.
Okay, nice.
So.
Actually, one of you can explain about what the BPC itself. Probably for new leader for BPC, guys. Okay, time is here.
Okay, thank you, Kak Chang. So BPEC stands for Benteng Panua English Club, and we are, as the name of our club, we are run for English, and we are now conducted. We actually conducted in Benteng, Rotterdam, but during the pandemic, we have to move to multimedia in front of Unismu Makassar, and it's free, everyone. So you may call your parents, you may call your friends, or even your family. You can call them. You may call them to join us in BPEC, because we are not actually looking for just a student, but we also looking for all of people. So all of ages. Maybe you already have a daughter, a sons. You already have a family. It's okay. It's not. It doesn't even matter, because we are open for all. So.
Okay, thank you. So, what kind of activity we will conduct in there? Can you explain a little bit about that?
Okay, so in BPEC we have 6 items, and the first one is who am I? There is it's like an introduction of yourself, who you are. So all people in BPEC know you. And then the second is ice breaking. You may play some games in the ice breaking. And the second is discussion and debating. We will have a paper in every week, and it's always different paper. It's based on what new issue in the week that going viral, and then we will discuss about it, and we'll debate about it in discussion and debating. And then the fourth is a building skill, where you can we can learn some grammars, maybe, or just like idioms, or else. And then the fifth one is announcement. And in the announcement you will get some information, new information. So we will update for many information, like such as contests, or even scholarship, or else. So that's all. Yeah.
Okay, thank you so smart listener. Let's join with us in multimedia in front of Muhammadiyah University of Makassar. So it is free, guys, and yeah, you can invite your family and etc. Okay, so actually, guys, we have the interest topic today. You know, is that no pain, no gain, right? And yeah, I need your opinion about this topic because we ever this sentence right about no pain no gain. So yeah, probably from you, brother. So what do you think, or what is your point of view about this topic today?
No pain, no gain.
Yeah, sure.
Okay. I have several information about no pain, no gain. So no pain, no gain is an idiom, English idiom that describe about a situation that you struggle with something, or you have some goals and you have to face some obstacles to achieve your goals.
Yeah.
And you never give up. You always try. You always face your obstacles, struggle with the obstacle until you are in the successful times. So
Okay.
that is what no pain no gain describe. And one of the small example of no pain no gain is what you have seen, guys. We are here. It can be described by no pain no gain, because why? Because to be here we have to be the member of BPEC, and it's not easy. We have to register first, and then we have to pay about 10,000.
So you have to struggle, yeah.
that's the struggle to be the member of BPEC, and then you have to go like camping with the new member and learn about English or something like that. And then after that, it's not finished. We have to struggle in the next time. For example, now we have to struggle with the rain situation, because it's not easy to be here because the rainy weather. So yeah, now here we are. That's no pain, no gain.
I see. Yeah. Right, guys. Okay, so because we have a newcomer in here, a brother in there, can you introduce yourself?
Well, thank you. My name is Aldan Wiranata.
Uh-huh.
You guys can call me Aldan.
Okay,
Now
okay,
I'm a
okay.
college student. Yeah, thank you.
Okay, thank you, brother Aldan. So, yeah, we we move to the next participant in here. Probably Bu President. Can you describe about your opinion about no pain no gain itself?
I think my opinion is a little bit similar with brother Yusrael, because yeah, I think we have just like same opinion. Because maybe he is a vice president of me, so
Oh.
so we have the same idea, I guess. But yeah, I still have different. It's a little bit different, because as brother Yusrael said that no pain no gain, that it's just like he have to struggle to join BPC. I think it's a little bit sensitive, I guess, but no. I mean, for me personally, no pain, no gain. Yeah, it's just like when you have to reach something, or such as your goals or your dreams, you have to struggle. You have to challenge yourself. So there must be a lot of things, a lot of hard things that you may never even think about it, that you will challenge yourself to face that kind of struggle. And yeah, I've already experienced also. I think all people have their own experience about no pain no gain itself, such as for me personally, being a president of BPC is not even as easy as it looks.
Yeah.
I guess everyone knows about it, because if you have to lead some organization or even a community, you have to face so many things that you never even expect it at first. And yeah, but I guess from that kind of pain, maybe from all of the struggles that I've been through, I've already I've experienced and I get so many lessons from it. So that's all from me.
Okay, thank you, Miss Ina. So yeah, actually I do agree. Also, we have to struggle
Yeah.
anything right to
Yeah.
gain in our goals. So what about you, Miss Fatana? Okay.
The question is about uh,
No pain, no gain.
no pain, no gain. According to the Google, and same as my perception,
Uh-huh.
no pain, no gain is a wise saying that giving a true message for our life because like brother Yusril say we cannot achieve our goals without struggle.
Yeah.
So there's a one price or one sentence I remember that life is not only about a bad storm.
Uh-huh.
There's a thunder with a storm that make us scary and scary and brave at the same time. So I think it's a good for us to thinking about just try it without thinking about the pain.
Uh-huh.
The pain can be. I think that's all.
Okay, thank you, Mrs.
Pain
Fatana.
can be
I also agree because it will be improving our life, right? Yeah. So what about Miss Sam? Okay. What do you perspective about
Okay.
this topic?
In terms of no pain, no gain, we
Yeah.
can see that in order to like reach something or to have something in the future, you want to like really want it, you have to struggle or going through a lot of things. For example, like you have to work hard to in order to reach that goal, and also you have to give efforts, not only and in order like the time when you reach the goal, you have like a lot of challenges, not only from your internal or yourself, but also from the outside itself. For example, when we want to like fluent in speaking English, we have to like struggle to practice. We have to find our friends who have the same goal as like us, and also who has like you put away your shame when people say that you like sombong when you
Arrogant.
when you talk English in your environment. But yeah, that's the effort, or that's the thing that you have to go in through when you want to reach something or want to improve yourself, like that.
Okay, yeah. I agree also because yeah, sometimes we have to didn't care what people say.
Yes,
guys.
don't
Uh-huh.
give.
Yeah,
Yeah, don't
okay.
care.
Okay, thank you, Miss Sam. Okay, the last, Brother Aldan. So, what is your perspective about this topic today? No pain, no gain.
No pain, no gain, right?
Yeah.
Well, thank you for the chance given to me. So, in my opinion, pain equals process, right? So,
Yeah.
of course, every successful person or people, they actually experience process. So, of course, process is not always good, right?
Yeah.
Process is not always like happy, but we have to like through very hard process in our life. For example, businessmen, they actually start from zero. All of success, maybe some people start from zero and they build their business, something like that, and their business become blow up and they become success, right? So not only that, if you want to make your bodies looks better, you have to through the hard process. Then, for example, me, I'm interested in learning English, even though I'm an engineering student.
Yeah.
But I know like there is a process that I have to going through, right? Like study and watch article or something like read the article, and I think like now I already know English at least like speaking because I always study. I read some article or something like that, and it makes me like getting more better day by day. So, and the point is, there is no instant in our world, right? Especially on getting on getting our dreams. I think that's all.
Okay, thank you, Brother Aldan. So I do, yeah, also agree about that, cause we have to sacrifice all of the thing to garner in our goals, right? So yeah, smart listener, cause we have a commercial break, and yeah, don't leave anywhere, cause after commercial break, we'll back in our conversation.